Hey you guys, it's Lavi, and today we're playing the new Adopt Me update. So I know it's not really new, but whatever, you know what I mean. We're playing the new Rainforest update. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is so slow. Okay, let's go. So, I heard there's like some Robux pets. I think it's like plantains and like these Amazon birds, and there's like this oxalot pet. How about we get a few? Come on. Let's see. About my bunny carriage. Okay. The thing is, there's like this new ocelot pet, but I don't think I can buy that because that's 500, and I have $403 right now. And okay, should be around this corner. Oh my god, there it is. I think I need to get out the carriage for this. Come on, Crystal. God, don't fall off this bridge. Oh my god! I did it! No. No. Go. No. 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 Okay. Okay, let's check out this update. So yeah. Tame and Amazon. Tame and Amazon of a golden plantain. Green Amazon 6%, white Amazon 37%, and diamond Amazon 25%. Okay. And here looks a lot. I'm not a huge fan of it because it looks weird. And then there's like vehicles and all that stuff. Let's get there. I can't buy an Amazon, which I really want to though, because can you see that white bird on the side? It looks awesome, and I want to get so bad, but I can't because I only have 2 Robux right now. I only have 2 Robux, so train mini and chick. Bye. I'm so sorry. Water, please. Could I have a free pet then? No, you will not have a free pet. Okay. So yeah, I want. Okay. No, dang it, I prefer cute pets. Sorry. That's mean. That's mean. All pets are cute, you guys. All pets are cute. All pets are cute. Okay. Here are the 2 boats. I don't like them. Back. They're so expensive too. They're like 4,000, 3,000. Like, oh my god. So expensive. Wrong way. It's just yes. Okay, I got it. Okay, this is like my favorite shop out of all of them because it's petware, and I love petware. I did get one petware. Crystal. Nope. Crystal. Oh my god. Oop. 6. Oh, you go here. I did get the new petware, which I have to scroll down for. Where is it? There it is. It's so beautiful. Rainy cloud earrings. Wow. Beautiful. Let's put them on. This is like my favorite petware of all because it's so pretty. It doesn't really fit on Crystal, but you know what? It looks just fine. Don't worry. Stop ride. Stop ride. Stop ride. Okay. Yeah, it looks weird on Crystal. Okay. You know, it's fine, Crystal. You look awesome, okay? You look awesome. If I can move, that would be nice. Okay. Oh yeah, the coconut. Yes. I love this. I just love it. I'll feed it to Crystal. 4. Just like, look, it literally drinks from it. Oh, you saw it. You saw it. You saw it, you guys. Oh, Sky, Dreambit Flamingo. You would really what? Sorry. I really appreciate if you would give me free pets, items, and vehicles. Have a good day. Thanks. So I think, yeah, that's it for this update. I don't think I missed anything. Yeah, I think that's it. So, where am I going? What I think about this update? Oh. You see, like, the rain, is not very detailed. Like, in my opinion, when I saw the trailer, I was like, oh, this rain's gonna be so detailed, and look at the sky, it's so beautiful. If I could just, like, show you how the sky looks like, but you know, it's nighttime right now. But in my opinion, in the trailer, it was just more like, what's this? Oh my god. Wait, is this Lift a Bridge? Guys, what's it? Oh my god! Oh, shoot. Look, you see the bridge in the background? It's going up. Yeah, so that's basically it. Okay, that's all it is. I do know that they're coming up with a new update, Adopt Me, because I saw the weekly news, and it's just, like, they're making a campsite a new place. Super duper cool. Oh, I can't go past. Oh, yeah, you can't. Okay. Yeah, it's just like a camp update. They just, like, make it new with, obviously, Robux pets. And, yeah, that's it. So, yeah, that's it. That's my video. Thank you.